Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. This is STY Fashion School, and if you are joining my channel or visiting my channel for the very first time, once again I say you're welcome. Today I want to take a tutorial on how to sew ashoke gele or how to join ashoke. I have two ashoke materials here, and before we join, if you look at it, you see it's a very long length ashoke. We will need to cut this into 4 or into 3. Like the Yorubas call it awe. Awe, we can have like 3 awares that we want to join together. So I'll be cutting this into 4 pieces before we start the joining. Here you can see I've already cut my ashoke. This one into 3 pieces. This is what we call awe. So I have 3 awe for the lilac color, and this I cut into 4. So I have 4 awe for this red color. So we'll be joining this awe together, and you'll see how we join as you keep watching the video. Now, to join the awe together, you see that at times you see some people joining their ashoke together like this, placing one on top of the other and sewing, so that the other side will look like this. No, it is wrong. This is the way you join your ashoke. You place this one on top of this first one, just like not even up to half an inch allowance, and you sew on top. You'll see it as we continue. So like I said, this is how you place your ashoke together, the awe. You place this one on top of this, and you start to back stitch at the beginning of the sewing, and you keep sewing. So now this is the first joining. Now we are going to place another one on top of this second one, and we are going to sew. So let's keep sewing. We are sewing the third awe right now. Now we have 3 layers. Like I told you, this one is 4. So we are going to join the 4 together. This is the third one. Now we've gotten to the end of the joining. We join the top panels together. And so we trim off the excess and fold the edge. Now we are trimming off the edge, the excess at the edge. We want this edge to be uniform, like this, so we can discard this and then fold the ashoke itself. Fold the first time, then fold the second time, and sew. After folding, you sew. So now we are through with the folding of this edge. We'll do the same thing to the other side, and we are done with the joining of our ashoke. See what we have? This is our ashoke gele. We are through with it. So it's as simple as this. Thanks for watching.